When you export to a PDF, you can choose to include PDF bookmarks. They provide shortcuts to important parts of your publisher document. This could be used to direct the reader to certain articles in our magazine here, for example, or for other important information like text or figures within a document. In this tutorial, I'm going to explain the different ways you can create, manage and export PDF bookmarks. Let me first run you through how to manually create PDF bookmarks. Let's go and grab the anchor panel from the View, Studio, and here's your anchor panel. Don't forget that you can pin your panels to the right or the left studio. Now we have the panel, I'll explain how to add an anchor. Let's select this link here, as we want the reader to be able to jump to this point in the PDF. Remember, you can add an anchor to anything from this link, text frames, certain text itself, tables, and a lot more. Now let's head over to the Anchors panel. Remember that a PDF bookmark is a special type of anchor, so they'll be managed within this panel. When we add this link as a new anchor, it will appear checked for Export as a PDF bookmark. You can leave this unchecked if you just want it as an anchor for now, and just click OK. Also bear in mind that you can choose to check and uncheck the PDF bookmark icon just on the right hand side. What I want to do for now before I move on is just click on the anchor and delete it. The reason I'm doing this is I'm just going to show you a shortcut. Let's select this link here. Right click, go down to Interactive and Insert Anchor. And here you'll have the same dialog that you saw before, and just hit OK. In the panel you also have the capability of adding anchors as a child. All you need to do is drag and hold until the blue line is located under the parent anchor. Then drag on top so the parent anchor highlights blue and drop it so it becomes a child anchor. You could even highlight a few anchors at one time by holding down Shift and dragging them. Or you can select them individually by selecting one, holding down Command for Mac or Control for Windows to select them individually. Then do the same again to add them as a child anchor. Highlight and drop. So this now is a parent anchor, and that's complete. Now we've created a PDF bookmark from scratch. Let's show you how you can create a PDF bookmark from a table of contents. Locate your table of contents panel. Mine is just here. What I need to do now is locate my table of contents. This is just on page 3 here. Select your table of contents and you'll find your TOC panel activates. All you need to do is simply check Include as PDF bookmarks. So it will automatically include every bit of content into your anchors panel. Don't forget you can go and select to have them on and off. If you want to have them all off, you can just uncheck here in the TOC panel. Now we have all of our PDF bookmarks ready, let's go and export our document. To export, just go up to File, Export, PDF. Affinity Publisher has 3 presets that will automatically include PDF bookmarks. They are PDF Digital Small Size, Digital High Quality, and PDF Flatten. If you prefer another preset or have any customised ones, like I'll have here, all you need to do is go to More and tick to include bookmarks. If we export now, here we have our final exported PDF with the bookmarks included. Thank you for watching.